a Roku TV, a Roku Sharp TV. I've been having it for a long time. And this is on the Roku channel. And you see this Halloween 1978 R 1 hour 31 minutes. Recommended for you. Well, yeah, it's just John Carpenter's Halloween. Well, wait until you freaking see this. Let me grab the control. When I press it, it shows this. It literally shows this. Someone holding a rubber thing, like a rubber face. But this is not even in the movie itself. I don't think this is in the Halloween franchise itself. That does not look like Michael Myers. I've seen this movie dozens of times. I also watched the second one. I watched the third one. I watched the fourth one. I watched the fifth one. I watched a little bit H2O. No, not a little bit. The whole H2O, the full movie of H2O. I watched the 2018 one. And that's all. I did not watch 6. I was lucky that I did not watch 6, but this is not even Michael Myers' mask or anything from the movie. I don't even think so. It's in the movie. And read it. John Carpenter's thriller about an escaped maniac who returns to Illinois' hometown to continue his bloody rampage. This picture is not even in the movie. Like, you may think that this was going to be a glitch. It won't show me a movie or show a different movie. But no, I'm just being right to the Halloween franchise, John Carpenter's Halloween. And I don't think this is even in the franchise itself. This is not in the fourth movie. This is not in the first movie. Or the second. At all. That's some weird crap. Some pretty weird crap. So Roku Sharp, or anybody who works at Roku, fix this from the Roku channel, because this ain't from Halloween. And that's all I got to say for today.